Are you filming?
Mamma!
Filmer du?
Ja!
Lort! Tisse 6. Tisse 6.
Oliver! Is the sound not on?
I don't know. It still records on silent too.
Yeah, I know. But it doesn't be sound on this. That's what you're saying.
No, but it still records sound when it's
I
on
know! God damn it.
What the fuck?
I just said I know. Ah.
Nej! 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 Nej!
Really wanted to watch some shit.
Fuck, det bliver en lortevideo, det her, mand.
I was like, no.
Nej!
Watch it done.
Yes, I did. This is fucking good.
Stop doing that, for fuck's sake!
Det her, det er en god stilling.
Because I say so. Stop before I smack your face in. Da! 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 Oh my god, there's porn. Da!
Ja, virkelig holder alle de der karakterer. Jeg har også en serie af sådan med 10 sæsoner, ikke? Hvad for en?
Ja, hvad for en?
Hvem er din yndling?
Min yndlings hvad?
Viking.
Ej, jeg kan simpelthen se det øje.
Lige med det samme, så er jeg bare sådan, ej, slut.
Ja.
Fucking love it.
Jeg elsker, når han spasser, og så griner sådan.
Når der står ude ved den der hans båd, og så er han bare sådan lidt, han er bare sådan, du kan ikke svømme.
Ej, man kan ikke se det.
He's like, we're gonna die! Or he's just like, the gods worship my boat. It can beat everything. It can beat dragons.
It's just his little baby.
Me?
No, the boat is Floki's little tiny baby.
That's true.
He's like, I love my fucking boat. And Ragnar is like, dude.
Dylan, stop smoking.
Yeah.
And Athelstan is Ragnar's tiny little baby.
She hasn't met Athelstan
Oh my
yet.
god, I don't talk English. Oh my god.
Just did.
I'm an Indian English version.
That makes no sense. What?
Rollo.
Rollo is a dick.
Sometimes you can never figure out where he stands. Sometimes you're like, oh my god, he's such a good guy.
Nej, no,
And then you're like, but wait, no, die.
Hi, Jessica.
Very complicated character. I love Ragnar.